Hey guys, so today we are going to continue with addition, but we're going to do it by counting money. So when you put this link into your browser, this is what comes up. And you can see that it's an activity that has to do with counting money. And over here, there's a drop down. I don't want you to do anything with this drop down menu because today we're just going to count, and that's what it defaults to. Tomorrow, you guys are going to be collecting, and I'll show you how to change that here. But I don't want you to change anything on the drop down for today. So I'm going to explain the directions and send you guys off to play for a little while. And then your job will be to send me a debrief in Dojo about how you're doing with counting money. And I want you to be very honest so that I know what we need moving forward to make sure that we're very strong in this skill before second grade. All right, so you're going to put the link into your browser, then this game will pop up and it's asking you what is the value. So remember when we were in class, we decided that the easiest way to count money was to order it from the smallest to the largest. So right now our largest is a quarter. So I'm going to put my quarters here. Then my next largest is dimes. So remember quarters are worth 25 cents. Dimes are worth 10 cents. Then my next biggest coin is a nickel, and nickels are worth 5 cents. Okay, then I have pennies, and pennies are worth 1 cent. All right, so now I've kind of ordered it from the most expensive coin to the least expensive coin, and I'm going to start adding it up. So a quarter is worth 25 cents. I only have one, so I just have 25 cents. Now I'm moving into dimes, and dimes count by 10. So if I'm adding 10 to 25, I have 35, 45, 55, 65. So now after my 1 quarter and 4 dimes, I'm up to 65 cents. Now I'm going to count my nickels, and nickels are counted by fives because they are worth 5 cents. So I have 65 plus 5 is 70, 75, 80. So now I'm up to 80 cents. Now I'm going to count my pennies, and remember that pennies are worth 1 cent. So I have 80 plus 1 is 81, plus another 1 is 82. So when you think that you've counted up all your coins, you go up here to this little box and you put in your number, and then you hit this green check mark to see if you were right. And it says you got it right. You hit OK, and then you go to the next problem. So again, what is the value? So I'm going to order my coins from most expensive to least expensive. And I'm going to count them up. So I have 25 cents. 25 plus 10 is 35. I added 10 because a dime is worth 10. So a quarter and a dime are 35 cents. Now I'm adding nickels, and remember my nickels are worth 5. So as I'm adding and counting, I'm adding and counting by fives. So I have 35 plus 5 is 40, 45, 50. So I go up here, put in 50, hit my check mark, and it says I got it right. Okay, let's do one more. Order my coins from most expensive to least expensive. Okay, and I know that if I have 3 quarters, 3 quarters is 75 cents, 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents. So 3 quarters is 75 cents. I have 75 plus 10 is 85. 85 plus ones, we're adding pennies, so these are all worth 1. 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Put in 90, check your answer, and you're good to go. I would like you to play for about 10 minutes and make sure you send me your debrief in Dojo.